agents at the polling station signed the same forms. So each and every candidate will be able to know at the end of the day the number of votes the candidate obtained at every polling station. There is no magic in the transmission of Form 34A. My Lords, in our submission, the whole purpose of this electronic transmission is a fast way of conveying the results to the constituency and to the National Tallying Center. Once that purpose is defined and delineated in those terms, any failure, not that there was any failure, but even if there was any failure, it cannot invalidate the results.